Morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a great day. Don't mind everybody else talking in the background. We're getting ready for our party, but I wanted to show you how to make a cleaning solution super quickly. So what we have to do, because I'm cleaning everything, so we're running low on the cleaners. So what you need to do to make the cleaners is to just take your bottles. I have two different ones. And what you're going to do, I've got 6 minutes before the chicken nuggets are done, so we're going to try and go super fast. So this is my regular Thieves cleaner. So all you're going to do, I use a funnel because it's easier. And what you're going to do, hope it'll stay. And you need your Thieves cleaner. And then all you do is take 2 capfuls. So 1, 2, we'll use 3 today. Got a lot of cleaning to do. So you're going to throw the 3 capfuls in there, and all you're going to do for this one is I just add water. Just a little bit more. So that's all I do for that. I'm going to leave just a little bit up there so I can shake it up as I go. And there it is. You shake it, shake it, shake it. And that's all you do. This is my all-purpose cleaner. I use it for everything. Cleaning the couch, which has a ton of crap on it right now. Because the kids were drinking the milkshakes and the milkshake spilled. So if you're coming over later, hopefully it'll be gone. The other one I make all the time, with the same thing, same Thieves cleaner, is with peroxide. Whoop. This one. And I like the peroxide because it helps with like disinfecting stuff. So when I have to like do a lot of like disinfecting cleaning, like cleaning up the bathroom, whew, probably do. And seriously, I also made myself a fabulous breakfast this morning. I had 2 eggs. I put them on this really nice like English muffin. Wyatt came in, said he wanted chicken nuggets. I'm trying to plan a party, eat some chicken nuggets. I don't care. And then he takes my egg sandwich and doesn't want the chicken nuggets anymore, which are still cooking. And I'm starving. Yes. But I have a shirt that says happy. So hopefully we'll just stay happy. So here, again, 2 more caps. Pour it in 1, 2, 3. Put the top on. And these will last me, depends on how much I clean, or how much cleaning's going on, so sometimes it lasts a little longer than others. But normally it'll last me about 2 or 3 weeks. So that's why I know people talk about this bottle being kind of small when they get it, and they're like, oh my gosh. But it lasts forever because you're only using capfuls. So I think the only time I tend to use more of it is when I'm doing deep cleaning on the floor. And I have one of those mops that you fill up with you fill up water and then it like cleans the floor. And that I use like 2 capfuls at a time. So when I'm doing the floor, I tend to use a little bit more, but that's okay because then the floor is gorgeous and it smells like Christmas. Okay, so here's the other one. Just pour a little bit of the peroxide in. Like I said, I have a boy. So there's always scraped knees, and then there's blood on clothes, or there's other stuff on clothes. So the peroxide and the Thieves really helps get that out, which is awesome. It's also good for cleaning the bathroom. I'll use it more in there. But that's all you have to do. I know a couple people actually ordered it this month. Ordered the Thieves cleaner, so I wanted to make sure people. Oh my god, check the chicken nuggets out. Sorry. So a couple people ordered it, so I wanted to let you all know how easy it is to actually make them. That's all you gotta do. You can put it in plastic spray bottles, you can put it in glass spray bottles, but really that easy. Just 2 capfuls, fill it with water, fill it with peroxide, however you want to make it, and get cleaning. That's it. I gotta go get ready for a party. I hope you have a good day. Talk to you later.